Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the video, and I'm here to showcase to you on how to start your YouTube channel as a cartoon channel and how to also monetize it. So let's go. First things first, you do need a YouTube channel to do this. So I've created a freshly new YouTube channel to showcase to you on how would you start if you were essentially a newbie or a creator. So first things first, we need to understand how monetization works in YouTube. So how do you get monetized? As you can see earlier, to be able to be monetized, you need to have 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours. What does this mean, 3 valid public uploads? It means that in the span of the 90 days, when you upload it, every single person that watched that video has to be able to like, share, subscribe, and is also unique to every viewer. And it's also means that YouTube policy didn't copyright strike it. It's very apparent that you understand that you use non-copyrighted music to be able to be seen as a valid public upload and to have a valid public watch hours. Or you could do is a valid public short views. Essentially, you create short videos. So now I'm here to showcase to you 2 ways to essentially create a cartoon channel. One is the paid version and the other one is a non-paid version. So the paid version is that we are going to use Steve AI. Essentially, Steve AI is a text to animation website. So let's go into text to animation. Now you're going to see a prompt, and this prompt states that what is going to be your text to animation topic about. So let's say our topic is about a exchange student, let's say me, about telling my journey as an exchange student in Japan, right? So the topic is a topic about an exchange student in Japan living my day-to-day life. Okay, so this is going to be a training and educational topic, and then we're going to generate the script. So you can see here, it's generating the script. It just takes a little bit while to generate it. Okay, so you can see it's generated it. We're going to add a topic here. So it's going to be exchange student. And then add music. Maybe let's do it later, but no music today. We're going to use this template. So as you can see here, it's scene loading. Let's just wait for a while to do this. Let's just wait for this to finish. It just takes a while because you have a lot of scenes that it uses, and as you can see here, it's already created the animations. Boom, 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 boom. Here are some editors for the scene settings. You can do is hide every scene, single text or not, or you can hide every single text. Here are just some change of colors to be that you can change the. So you essentially here you can change the colors, and here's a duplicate scene. So now when you publish it, and here's what I was saying, where it is a paid version. Here you have to. When you want to download it, there's an options, and these are all the options that is only available for you to download it. So you can see here, it has to be paid. So that is one way to create your cartoon channel for a paid version. Now I'm going to showcase to you for a non-paid version. Here we have ChatGPT. I already inputted it the same here at Steve AI, where it's about my life as a daily channel. And next, I am going to get this intro, right? This intro, I'm going to use 11 labs for it to generate the voice. And here I am using Daniel as my voice. Let's just wait and showcase to you how it works, right? Seeing that we're using Daniel. Let's just wait for a
Hey
while.
everyone,
As you can see,
welcome back to my channel.
alright, it sounds okay to me. Let me just download it. And next, after I downloaded the video, I'm going to go to Adobe Express. So here, Adobe Express allows us to create our animation or our character per se, so that we can say what the AI generated says here to here. So let's go back to browse. It's already here in my downloads, and then let's just have to wait. And as you can see here, it's already. And next, let's just get the other scenes. So here, first things first, right? Then, by the way, you can also look at different options here to use for your voice. I'm just using Daniel because I just like Daniel. So let's just paste this here. Wait, first things first, right? And then just wait for that. So once I am on campus, it's time to dive into my classes. Let's just copy paste this, right? And then let's just hear if Daniel's able to get the video recording of this. Okay, it's wrapping up. Okay, let's hear it.
Hey everyone, once I'm on campus, welcome back. It's time to my channel. Today I'm taking you along.
Okay, this is here everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you along Vips. Next is right, once on campus. Let me just download this. It's already downloading. Let me just finish this once again. First things first, actually, let's just finish this. So first things first, and then download it, then do it again. Right, it's already downloaded this video. So let's go back and then replace audio. We go browse again, and then here is the audio that we want. It's now uploading. After which, now we can go to the actual part where we animate things. Here is Canva. Here we can use the Canva free version to essentially do the same thing. So first, I am just going to get the downloads folder here. So let me just go to my file folders. This is the MP4. So here we go. Let's go to here and then drop it down. So you can see I just made some to just see if it actually works, and it does. So let me just wait for this. And this is exporting also, but yeah. Let's just wait for this while this is happening. Boom, 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 boom. So you can see it takes a while. That's because of the video nature. There's a lot of so as you can see here, just boom this, and then
hey
boom.
everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along for a glimpse into my as an exchange student. It's been such an incredible journey so far, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's dive right in.
So you can see here it created the video, and then let me just watch it here.
Hey everyone,
and then download.
Welcome back to my
channel.
channel.
See download settings. So you can see here it's downloading, and this was just the video that I made a while ago. And let's just click here if your download started, then let's just click, right? So it's now downloading. This is the video made a while ago, and let's watch it, showcase to you that it actually works.
Hey everyone,
as you can see,
welcome
it
back
works.
to my channel. Today,
and boom, that is your animation channel. Okay guys, now I've shown you two ways to essentially do a cartoon YouTube channel. One is a paid and one is a not. So thank you guys for watching the video. Like or subscribe, and see you in the next video.